Mounting of the trail's end tail bag is simple. The first thing you're going to do is remove the web strapping from each of the 4 buckles. Next, you're going to position the bag on the rack. Make sure the bag is centered and free from all moving and or hot parts. For this installation, we're going to go around this bar here on the front and through the rack here on the back. Begin by passing the webbing straps around the rack or tubing. Feed the webbing through the tension lock buckle and pull to remove slack. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 straps. Once all straps have been routed correctly, start to pull tight each strap one at a time, making sure the bag does not shift and stays centered. Any extra strap can be folded and tucked inside the provided elastic strap loops. Make sure the bag is secure and has little movement before operating your vehicle.